HP's new EliteStudio 8 AiO G1i aims to redefine what an all-in-one desktop can be. In 2025, blending elegant industrial design, powerful hardware and innovative AI-driven features into a single, space-saving package. First among its standout capabilities is a built-in KVM keyboard, video, mouse switch, an industry first for an AiO, that lets you seamlessly control a laptop as though it were a second PC. On top of that, advanced cameras with intelligent software, a flexible shared clutch hinge, and expansive connectivity options make the EliteStudio 8 G1i a compelling choice for modern hybrid workspaces, creative studios and conference rooms alike. The EliteStudio 8 AiO G1i is available in two screen sizes, 23.8-inch and 27-inch, and both share a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. At roughly 7.8 kilograms for the larger model, it's light enough to reposition when needed, but stable once in place. HP vaults the power supply inside the chassis, eliminating an external brick and leaving only a single AC power cable on your desk. The result is a remarkably clean footprint that frees up valuable workspace. All ports, USB-A, USB-C Thunderbolt 4, DisplayPort, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet and a 3.5mm audio jack, are thoughtfully arranged on the rear and lower edge for easy access. Yet minimal visual clutter, drawing inspiration from Microsoft's Surface Studio. HP equips the EliteStudio 8 with a new shared clutch hinge. This mechanism lets you tilt the display smoothly from upright to a laid-flat angle, accommodating everything from standard desktop work to collaborative sketching or touchscreen interactions. The hinge motion feels solid and precise, holding the display securely at any angle without drift. Both screen sizes deliver crisp visuals. The 23.8-inch model features a full HD 1920x1080 panel, while the 27-inch boasts a sharper QHD 2560x1440 resolution. Each display tops out at 250 nits and includes an anti-glare coating, ensuring comfortable viewing under overhead lighting. At a 75 Hz refresh rate, motion appears slightly smoother than on typical 60 Hz monitors, noticeable during scrolling, video playback or basic on-screen animations. For users who prefer direct manipulation, HP offers an optional touchscreen upgrade. Under the hood, the EliteStudio 8 G1i can be configured with Intel's 15th generation Core Ultra processors, i5, i7 or flagship i9, each integrating a dedicated NPU capable of 13 TOPS of AI acceleration. This silicon foundation powers everything from heavy multitasking and video rendering to real-time AI features like background replacement and smart lighting adjustments. For demanding graphics workloads, you can optionally add an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5000 Ti GPU, up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and dual M.2 SSD slots supporting up to 4 TB total storage. Ensure that complex projects and large datasets load quickly and run smoothly. A hallmark feature is the integrated KVM switch. By plugging a laptop into one of the EliteStudio's Thunderbolt 4 ports, which also supply up to 100W charging, you instantly gain access to the monitor, wireless keyboard, mouse, and even the AiO's webcam and speakers, without any additional cables or docking stations. Flipping between your desktop's Windows environment and your laptop's OS requires only a quick toggle, streamlining workflows for developers, designers and anyone who frequently moves between portable and stationary machines. The pop-up 5-megapixels webcam on the EliteStudio 8 G1i comes in two variants: a simple RGB sensor or an HDR/IR combo for Windows Hello facial recognition. HP's Polycamera Pro software extends these cameras' capabilities with automatic background blurring, custom on-screen captions, chirons for live streams or video conferences, and seamless integration of external cameras. On the security front, HP Lock and Awake uses proximity sensors to automatically lock the PC when you step away, and instantly unlock when you return. An anti-shoulder surfing feature detects prying onlookers, and can obscure sensitive information to protect your privacy in open-plan offices. Audio is handled by two downward-firing 5W speakers tuned for clarity and warmth. HP also embeds next-generation AI noise reduction technology that intelligently suppresses background sounds, ideal for conference calls in busy environments. Whether you're leading a virtual meeting or enjoying a music break, the EliteStudio's audio system keeps voices and media sound crisp. Between its clean industrial design, flexible shared clutch hinge, built-in power supply and the world's first integrated AiO KVM, the HP EliteStudio 8 AiO G1i represents a significant step forward for all-in-one PCs. Coupled with powerhouse Intel Core Ultra processors, optional NVIDIA RTX graphics and a suite of AI-enhanced camera and security features, it is engineered for productivity, collaboration and content creation. For users seeking to consolidate hardware, declutter their workspace and harness the latest in AI-driven functionality, the EliteStudio 8 G1i delivers a compelling vision of the all-in-one desktop in 2025.